Today I'll be going over how to set up a workspace with data sources so you can begin creating visualizations and reports on Zoho Analytics. Let's get started. Once you've gained access to Zoho Analytics, the first thing you need to do is create a workspace. A workspace is a section inside of Zoho Analytics where you can connect various data sources to. It's important to know you can add multiple data sources to one workspace. Say you wanted to pull reports from Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and Zoho Projects. You can pull all of those data sources together in one workspace so that you can create a report with them all together. To create a workspace, we need to import some data first. Click on this green button on the top right corner. As you can see here, we have various different types of cloud application sources that we can retrieve our data from. You can pull your data source from Zoho applications and many non-Zoho apps as well. Let's start off by pulling data from the CRM first. Once you've gained access to Zoho Analytics, the first thing you need to do is create a workspace. A workspace is a section inside of Zoho Analytics where you can connect various data sources to. It's important to know that you can add multiple data sources to one workspace. Say you wanted to pull reports from Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and Zoho Projects. You can pull all of those data sources to one workspace so that you can create a report with all of them together. To create a workspace, we need to import some data first. Start off by clicking on this button on the top right. Here we have various cloud source applications that we can retrieve data from. You can pull data from Zoho applications and many non-Zoho apps as well. We can start off by pulling data from the CRM. After around 5 minutes, your sync will be completed, and once it's complete, your data will be available under the Data Sources tab on the left side. If you ever decide you need to add additional fields or remove them, you can click on the data source and click Edit Setup where you can do that. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't need to work with one data source at a time in your primary workspace. You may want to pull from additional resources, so you can click on Add Data Sources to do that. We can repeat the same process with Zoho Finance. Adding Zoho Finance is a quick way to add all of these Zoho accounting applications. So books, subscriptions, invoices, inventory, all of those various applications fall under that umbrella of Zoho Finance. So the first thing that it's going to ask us to do is select the organization. Once you do that, you can click on Next. Next, just choose the modules and fields that you would like to sync. Choose how often you're going to sync. And the last option gives you a checklist to use their default reports. Once you're done, you can click on Create, and that will add the Zoho Finance into your data source. Thank you for watching this demonstration. Feel free to reach out to our ERP Hub team. We'll help you assess your processes to make your business more efficient. For more insights on Zoho, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.